with my trusty pal, Roobit, and we're here and ready to learn some things. So, Roobit, what are we going to learn today? The magic wheel! I wonder what we'll learn about today. Music! I love music! I wonder what we're going to learn to play. Drums? Guitar? Trumpet? Whoa! This doesn't look like a musical instrument, does it, Ruby? New mission. Make a rain stick for 20 Roo points. Well, I guess we're making our own instrument. Ready? Okay, let's see. We have rice, tinfoil, a water bottle. Step 1. Roll 2 individual pieces of tinfoil into long snake-like strips. Look, it's like a little snake. And then let's do another one. Let's see if we can connect it to this one. We can. Wow, it looks like kind of like a worm. Step 2. Fill the water bottle with coiled tinfoil. And put it inside. And now we get to add the rice. But how am I gonna add the rice into this? It's not gonna pour very well. If only I had a piece of paper. Ooh, that'll come in handy. Step 3. Roll a piece of paper up into a funnel and pour the rice inside. And I'll put this on the edge of my bottle and pour the rice in like a little funnel. Perfect! Okay, and then we put the lid on. Yay! Roobit, we made a rain stick. Now that is one really cool way to recycle. What was that? There it was again. Roobit, is that a rhythm? Do you think I should try and copy it? Okay,